Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about filter oil for Ultrafryer part #29A053. Filter oil for Ultrafryer part #29A053 is a replacement filter and oil for an Ultrafryer. The Ultrafryer is a commercial deep fryer used in restaurants and other food service establishments. The filter and oil are designed to keep the fryer running efficiently and reduce the amount of oil that needs to be replaced. The filter removes any particles or debris from the oil, while the oil helps to lubricate the fryer's components and prevent them from overheating. The filter should be changed regularly to ensure optimal performance of the fryer. This part fixes the following symptoms. This filter is designed to remove impurities from the oil used in the Ultrafryer, which can help reduce smoke and odors, improve fryer performance, and extend the life of the oil. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that came with the filter. Oil for Ultrafryer part #29A053. 2. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and supplies needed for installation. 3. Turn off the power to the Ultrafryer before beginning installation. 4. Remove the old filter oil from the Ultrafryer and discard it properly. 5. Install the new filter oil for Ultrafryer part #29A053 according to the instructions provided with it. 6. Reconnect power to the Ultrafryer and test it to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.